The first lip balm that I'm going to share with you all is from Biotic, and this is their Lip Plumping Berry Lip Balm, and this retails for Rs 175. It claims that it is a plumping lip balm that helps make your lips look fuller and voluptuous, and with regular usage it does help you achieve fuller lips, but lip plumping won't be too much evident while your lips are on the thinner side. And I must say that it's really moisturizing on the lips, and it gives a nice soft reddish pinkish color. It's very thick in texture and it has a sweet and nice berry fragrance to it. This was my very first purchase from the brand Biotic, and I must say that it did a really good job at moisturizing and hydrating my lips. The next lip balm that I'm going to share with you all is the Nivea Fruity Shine Lip Balm. And this lip balm basically comes in a lot of shades, and this one is in the shade Peach, and this retails for Rs 165. And I must say that this one is a little bit on the glossier side. It is very it has glossy pigments in it, and it gives a very nice subtle peachy shade, and I really love the fragrance of it, and it keeps my lips moisturized for a really long time. Although the color payoff is not much, it's very the color is very light, but it's a little bit on the glossier side. So if you are one person who likes such kind of lip balms, little bit of less in color but more on the glossier side, then you can go ahead and purchase this one. One thing I really like about this lip balm is that being on the glossier side, it doesn't stick on the lips. Like when I do this, it doesn't stick that much, and the fragrance is too good. So yeah. The third lip balm is from the brand Lotus, and this is their Lotus Herbal Lip Balm in the shade Fruity Fusion, and this retails for Rs 125. Now this lip balm is a mixture of almond oil, jojoba oil, honey and wheat germ oil, and with the goodness of all the fruit extracts, this one is a really nice and a natural antioxidant. It helps to soothe your lips and tones your lips, and helps to improve your skin texture. And I really like to apply this one before going to bed, because it really helps to moisturize my lips and cure any dry areas, or if there's any chappiness or the lips are cracked. So it really helps to soothe my dry and chappy and cracked lips. It is a very good lip care product that naturally takes care of your lips during the winter season. It's very light in texture. This one has an amazing fruity fragrance, and it is light, very light pink in color while you apply it, and it's very hydrating. If you guys have been watching my tutorials for the longest time, then you must have seen me using this lip balm quite a lot of time. This is the Neutrogena Lip Moisturizer, and this retails for Rs 149. Now this lip balm really helps to improve the texture of your lips and also the skin tone of your lips, and it is really moisturizing in nature, and it does help to eliminate all the chappiness in your lips. Now this one comes with SPF 15, and that gives you added protection from the sun as well. Now having an SPF in a lip balm is definitely a great advantage, because that is one thing which is missing in most of the lip balms today. Now this one is paraben free, this is fragrance free, and this one does not have any color in it. So if you're looking for a lip balm that has no color and no fragrance, then this is the lip balm to go for. So I'm sure a lot of you guys watching this video right now must be die-hard fans of Body Shop lip balms, and yes, the fifth lip balm in my list is definitely a Body Shop lip balm, and this one is in the shade Passion Berry, which retails for Rs 275. And this lip balm from Body Shop is a really great option which moisturizes my lips, conditions my lips, and this has a little bit of sheen in it. It requires a tiniest amount of lip balm to perfectly spread it on your lips, and it has a very nice and light berry fragrance to it, and the fragrance is definitely to die for. By the looks of it, it looks purple in color, but when you apply it, it looks very clear lip balm with a hint of purple in it. So these were my top 5 lip balms that are currently my favorite in this particular winter season. Let me know in the comment section which one was your favorite, which one would you like to buy, or which is your favorite lip balm during the colder months. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel Urban Panache for more such fun videos. And I'm way too excited to hit 1000 subscribers really soon. So please make this possible, guys. I need your support, a lot of support for that. So please make sure you tag your friends, you share this video with as much people as possible, and share it with a lip balm freak. I'm sure there are a lot of people who like lip balms a lot, so share this video with your lip balm freak friends. And yeah, that's all from this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.